In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a full-size cornhole set for around $50. All you're going to need for this project is 3 2x4x10s. You're going to need 2 pieces of 24x48 1/4-inch pine plywood. And the reason I'm not using 1/2 inch is, well, that was $28 a piece when these were 14 each. All right, to get started, we're going to cut 4 pieces at 48 inches. What was that about? And then 2 pieces to 12 inches. And with that, that is all the pieces we need to cut out. Take your 2 4-foot pieces and put it on the sides, 21-inch piece on the bottom, the top, 1 in the middle. And we'll go ahead and drill all those holes with 3/16 inch bits. Then we'll screw it together with some 2.5 inch screws. Now I was worrying that this 1/4-inch plywood would well, flex a lot, but with that support in the middle, I don't think it's not that bad actually. Now we're gonna make foldable feet. Now we're gonna take one of our 1-foot piece and rip it straight in half with a table saw. We'll flip our board over. We'll have 2 of our feet where it swings down. Cut that out on the bandsaw. Now we'll give it a massage with the orbital. And we'll be using some 220. Whoops. And we'll be using some 220. Well, there we go, nice and smooth. But before we put finish on it, we gotta build another one of these. Building montage. Where's my pencil? Ah. put our first coat of poly on it. And what this is gonna do is protect it and make it waterproof. Now that the front has poly on it, we're gonna sand it with some 220 and then we'll poly the back. And I almost forgot to put legs on the second one, so let's do that. All right, before I show you the final boards, let's break down on how much all this costed. We started out with 3 10-foot pine 2x4s at $6 each. And when I went to go buy the plywood, I saw just a piece of 24x48 piece of plywood. And I was like, oh, perfect. Then I saw they had a 4-foot by 8-foot piece of plywood for only 28 bucks, which means I could have got those 2 pieces of plywood for only 16 bucks if I would have thought about that. All right, now for the small expenses. We used about $5 worth of screws, $5 worth of polyurethane, $2 of bolts, and $1 of glue, which brings your cost up to $47. And that is not bad for cornhole sets when you're gonna be paying on Amazon $100 to $120. But without further ado, here's the final review. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos, I hope you will check out my woodworking playlist, which has over 100 videos on it. And I'll put that right here on the screen. Click right here to subscribe so we can get to 50,000 subscribers, and I'll see y'all next time.